Hi everyone. So what you'll need for the midterm exam is you'll need to have completed all the reading assignments so far in this class. In this video, I'm going to read you the directions, show you the possible readings that may be on the exam, and tell you how to prepare. So first, let's talk about the midterm directions. These are copied and pasted from the quiz itself, and you can find that by clicking here. Please only open this quiz when you are ready to begin. Read all these directions and review the rubric before you begin. The next page will show you a little bit more about the rubric. The rubric criteria mirrors the essay structure you have learned in this course. Have the course readings available to quote from. The exam will focus on one, but you won't know which until you begin. Directions. Write a 3 to 5 paragraph response to the exam question in a limited amount of time, which is 2 hours. Carefully read the question, then type your response in a word processing document like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Then copy your response into the quiz response box for credit. Now, the reason why I'm advising you to do it this way is that if you type directly into the quiz response box, you may lose your entire test if your internet goes out or if it times you out of the exam. So a wise student will do the assignment in Google Docs or Microsoft Word and then copy and paste the response into the quiz. Now, please know you must enter your essay in the quiz response box by cutting and pasting that response. Attachments or links will not be graded, okay, because they go through a plagiarism checker and they need to come into the quiz itself. So it says this exam is open book, open note. This means that for this exam, you may use any books quoted and cited. You may use any course readings quoted and cited. You may use a dictionary quoted and cited. You may use a thesaurus. You may use the internet quoted and cited. You may not, however, use another person. And again, be sure to review the rubric before you begin the exam by clicking the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner of the test, which you'll see when you get there. Now, when you begin the test, this is what you'll see. It's the actual midterm question here, copied and pasted, but what I've done is I've taken out what I've chosen you to write on. So I haven't told you which essay you'll be writing on, okay? That's why there's a blank here. So it says analyze, linked below. So one of the essays we've read, all those links are below. And in a 3 to 5 paragraph academic essay, tell whether or not the author of the essay proved their main point. You may want to write in a Google Doc or Word doc and then cut and paste your response into the text box below. Please note, only responses that are written in the space below, that's in the quiz, not in this page, will be graded. Attachments are not accepted. Feel free to use your annotations to help you craft your essay. This is an open book, open note, open dictionary, open thesaurus, open electronics, open internet test. Be sure to review the rubric before you begin. You will be graded on the quality of your analysis, essay structure, paragraph structure, sentence structure, academic tone, fitting quotes, and proper parenthetical citation. Do not worry about MLA paper formatting rules such as headings or headers. You may double space your response if you wish. As this is a long-timed essay, it is important to pre-plan your essay to ensure you have enough to fill each paragraph. Watch your time. Only spend a maximum of 20 minutes planning your essay. Also, you'll want to give yourself at least 20 minutes to proofread. Be sure you have an intro, body, and conclusion. Use quotes from the actual text. Don't forget a thesis and make sure that thesis makes a clear, definitive argument. So the reading you're going to be tested on will be one of these 3, either The Unraveling of America, Survival of the Richest, or Choosing a School for My Daughter in a Segregated City. Each of those was required reading. You had an assignment for it, and you were required to annotate as you read. So a good annotation will already have the text summarized. We'll have good quotes identified, and your reactions to those quotes written in the margins. Okay, so that's the purpose of annotating, and those annotations will serve you well during this test. So the thing you can do to prepare first is review your annotations on these essays. If you didn't do them, you should do them before the test, okay? The other thing you can do to prepare for the test is review the essay structure you've learned so far in this course, okay? Go through the lectures on intro paragraph, body paragraph, and concluding paragraph. If you were given a notation in essay 1 that you had trouble with essay structure, please watch the videos I linked in my response to your specific essay. That'll tell you which part you struggled with, okay? That's how you prepare. Again, be sure that you don't click begin this quiz until you're ready to start. Good luck, everyone.